everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a very small haul for you, and I'm not sure if any of these things are going to work out. So first up, I ordered from Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks, or not Shop Your Looks, Freestyle they're calling it now. I needed a pair of cotton sweatpant joggers, and these were the Threads for Thought Kiara Eco Tech Performance Jogger, size extra small. And I saw them, I said, let me just get them. They were $69. I love Threads for Thought, but these are not the sweatpant material I thought. They're a nylon material. Shame on me for not looking. It's one of those late night purchases where I say, oh, look at this, click, purchase. You know how it's easy to do. I will try them on for you, but it wasn't what I was looking for. But you can get an idea in case this is something you are looking for of what they might look on. They appear to have 2 pockets here in the back. And they do seem to have a functional drawstring waist and a jogger style bottom. I got them in my usual extra small, so we'll see how they fit so you can get an idea whether they run true to size or not. They're nice, thin, performance-like material. It's just what I wasn't looking for. I was looking more for a cozy sweatpant type of material that were a little bit thicker. All right, next up, something else I'm going to return. I got this at Nordstrom, all right? It's a Vince Camuto purse. I love the style of this purse. Look how cute this is. It's a crossbody bag. It's like a, what do they call this? Not like a drawstring bag, but like a, I don't know, like a bucket bag. Bucket bag, I guess, It's really cute. It has the snap closure. It doesn't have any dividing pockets, which I'm okay with because I only have 3 things I put in here. There is a safety zippered pocket here on the side. If you want to put, small things in there, it's usually where I put my coupons. And then there's this little pouch right here where I guess you could put your cell phone in, or, maybe I put my tissues in there. This is the perfect size for my new lifestyle now. Really love that. I just like the color. So let me come close. Can you see this color? I thought it was going to be like a tan. And it's almost like a brownish, greenish color. Don't like it at all. It was on sale for $110, and unfortunately, because of the color, it's going back. When you see it online, you see it's one color, and then when you get it in, it's it's like brown with a tinge of green to it. I don't like it. So unfortunately, this is going back. So two out of 3 things that are going back. The third thing I'm skeptical about, and you guys are going to have to help me with. So I saw this online, and it's, again, Nordstrom, and it was marked down to $66. And I read the reviews, and everybody said to size up because this one particularly runs small. It's by Free People. And when I saw it online, I just, oh gosh, that blouse is so pretty. And I'm really looking for some white tops. All right, so let me show you what attracted me to this, all right? And then I'll tell you what I think might be wrong with it. So look at the detailing. See how it's scallop detailed all down here? And look at all that lace, the crochet, okay? Look at the covered buttons. Aren't they adorable? All right, and then look at the little pom-pom things here on the end and the gathered sleeves. This is beautiful, all right? I was reading the reviews and people were like, all you need to do is wear a lacy bra with it and you'll be fine. I get it. Or actually, I saw it first when I was with Kayla and shopping. I saw it at the Free People store. So this was on the way to my house. I hadn't received it yet. It was on the way. And when I saw it, I said, how the heck? I mean, look at this. This is wide open. How the heck do you wear just a lacy bra with this? And I'll try wearing a tank under this, but I don't think it's going to look right with a tank underneath either. I don't know. So, yeah, the holes are of significant size. Look at that. It's going to show a lot of skin. And I knew it was lace, but I guess I didn't realize how big the holes were. I'll try it on with a tank underneath, but I don't think it's going to look right with this top. And I don't think I would be comfortable wearing it without anything underneath, all right? So this is a maybe. We'll have to see what it looks like on. I do love it. Look at the collar in the back too. See how it has the detail, the crochet detail, right? And the scallop collar too. Oh, it is so pretty. Pretty to the top. I just don't know if it will work for me. So I ordered up in a size small because everybody said it ran small. And again, it's by Free People and it was on sale for $66. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just not sure this girl can pull it off. So give me a minute and let me throw it on. Okay, this is a no. So on top of it being completely open, I don't know how anyone would wear this without anything underneath. You can see all your skin. It's too small. It's way too small. This is a definitely size up 2 sizes. So I usually am an extra small in most sizes. Free People I find runs wonky. It's either way oversized or way too big or way too small. It is an adorable top meant for someone much younger than me that doesn't mind exposing all their skin. So it is absolutely exquisite, but just not for me, all right? All right, I'm gonna throw on the sweatpants so you can get an idea what they look like. Just keep in mind they're like nylon performance. They're not sweatpant material, so give me a minute. Okay, next up are the Threads for Thought Kiara Eco Tech Performance Joggers, size extra small. They run generous in size. I mean, I would keep these if I was in a market for these. I wouldn't say they're too big, but if you're in between sizes, go the size down. Here are the back of them. I am a shorty, so they are quite long on me, and they're pulling around the ankles, as you can see. Okay. Yeah, I mean, these are nice material, very thin, just not what I had in mind when I saw jogger. I figured sweatpants, and I just didn't look, and I ordered them. All right. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care, and until next time.